Can Payam make a video under 1 minute? Let's go. I'm going to show you today 3 mobile devices we recovered data from successfully. Here's the first one, iPad mini. Our customer said that it was completely dead, wouldn't turn on. We got all the photos back today. Second one, we got Samsung Galaxy mobile phone, and it went through a washing machine. Dead. All the data has been copied to this hard drive over here. And we have another Samsung Galaxy phone over here. The customer said that it was fully charged, it shut down, and then it wouldn't turn on again. They're after all the contacts. Easy. All the data is recovered today. That's it. I made a video under 1 minute. Didn't think it was possible. So if you have a dead mobile phone and you need the data back, turn it off, bring it to us. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.